Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the trading desk, where we talk about the daily movers in the market, specifically my trades, why I took them, why I thought they were a good trade, bad trade, and how did they resolve. So as you know, we've been going kind of through a cold market. There aren't really good setups, good stocks that are rising, and basically it's kind of a bad time to trade, I would say, because there isn't anything good right now that can actually make a move and you can actually make some decent money. With that being said, I did take a few trades today, as you can see right here, but not by a lot. As you can see, I'm basically break even. I mean, even the trades that I took, I basically sold them immediately. Okay, so as I sat down, there weren't any news for today. I mean, X4 had news at 1 o'clock, aka 7 a.m., but it was pretty choppy, as you can see. So it kind of shot up, then pulled back, then again. It was kind of choppy. It didn't break through the levels that it needed to break through. So yeah, took a small trade here. So it made this rally up, and on this candle I bought 500 shares at 187. Then it goes up even more. Don't sell, because I was actually looking for it to break this level, but it did for a second, and it reversed all the way down, goes back up, and then it goes again up, and I sell on this candle right here because it tried again, it didn't work out. So I sold basically for 189 as you can see, and made like $5. So nothing, basically paid the commissions, and then it kind of reverses and it sells off. So no trades for that. Then ATNF was the next trade I took, which was an hour and 30 minutes from the first trade, so basically doing nothing. To be honest, this was a trade that I took that I could have made a bit of money, I would say, but not by much. It did fit all the criteria. It had a low float, it had news, but the news wasn't particularly exciting. Basically, that it had a crypto Ethereum strategy in cash reserves, and I was pretty sure that would not drive price up that much. So it starts curling up here and goes back. I don't buy this pullback. I mean, I did buy it actually at 527, a pop, which was basically around right here, but I just didn't see it resolving like that. So it goes up a bit, goes down. I see the volume decreasing here, and I was like, nope, I got out. But I probably should have stayed because it didn't actually go down by much, and the 90 MA was rising, so it went up a good amount of 570. So I could have made around $40, I would say, but I sold it. So I had the right initiative, I had the right vision in mind, but I just didn't I guess go through it. Then on the second pullback, I bought it, goes up a bit, waiting for it to at least hit here and sell, but it doesn't. It starts reversing. I sell immediately for a 4-cent loss, and as you can see, -6, and basically that was it for the day. So that was it for the day. And as you can see, it did make a move here again, but I don't know. It's pretty choppy, and there isn't really anything that looks good right now. I would literally classify this as a no trade day, because even the trades I took, I bailed out immediately because I was just waiting for them, for a small chance that if they succeed, I would make a bit of money. And for the moment that they didn't succeed, I sold off immediately because the risk I'm willing to take right now is very minimal. So here, even though it resolved pretty good, and I would say that I would argue that I should have held, even though the volume here decreased. Maybe you could say that the 9 EMA was moving, I should have waited a bit, but I didn't like the setup. Like, it should have worked on this candle. Immediately should have shot up, but there it was the next candle, so I could have made a bit of money right there, but I'm not overly like disappointed in that, because I did see the trade, but I didn't like the catalyst of the news. You know, even though everything was looking nice and the setup was good, I felt like the sentiment wasn't there. So, I guess lessons learned from today is good thing that I didn't take any trades. Market open, I'm pretty sure nothing is moving. Like, highest indicator is 63%. So I don't think that anybody in the who trades markets, I mean who trades the open market, would even have any nice opportunities. But with that said, I think even though the overall market is doing good, which is weird, let me change this to a day. Can you see the daily chart? No, I don't like that chart. Let's go 30 minutes. Let it load. There we go. So we saw this sell-off and we've been rallying back up, and we just broke this resistance level today, now that I see it, of 638, which is actually very good. Now that I see about, wait, let me draw some lines here. So we just broke it pre-market. So yeah, the overall market is pushing all-time new highs right now, but I don't know why this is not translating into the trades that I'm taking, but it doesn't really matter. Just gonna get in, get out. I mean, trade the setups that I like, and that will not change. And even though right now, as I can see, we're basically at the highest of highs, if I'm not mistaken, it's still a little bit early to, yeah, it's still not at the highest of highs. It's a 641 here, but I would still call it pretty early as to say that we're back to the market being as it was end of July. It's been a slow week in August, and that would explain a lot of things, but I would just say again, keep caution, and that's what I'm doing, and just thinking about what and how you can pick the trades and be patient and actually focus on the things, that the setups that you like. That is what we're currently building, our discipline of being patient and basically trading the setups that we like. So that will be it for me today. Slow day, didn't really trade anything, and I guess see you guys tomorrow. Bye.